Hi all, thank you for watching the investment case. The investment case is all about finding those gems on the market to invest in. I am focusing on growth stocks, technology stocks and interesting dividend stocks. I have a financial background and have been investing for many years, but my videos should be considered as entertainment only. As always, be sure to do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Now for our first stock. A company that's making waves in the sustainable materials industry, Origin Materials. This company is using innovative technology to transform the way we think about plastics and other materials, and it's attracting a lot of attention from retail investors. So, why should you consider investing in Origin Materials? Let's take a closer look. To understand the potential of Origin Materials, it's important to first understand the industry in which it operates. The global plastics market is massive, with an estimated value of $593 billion in 2021. However, the environmental impact of traditional plastics is becoming more apparent, leading to a growing demand for sustainable alternatives. This is where Origin Materials comes in. The company has developed a technology that can turn sustainable feedstocks into a wide range of materials, including plastics. The total addressable market of Origin Materials exceeds $1 trillion. Origin Materials technology is based on a patented catalyst that can break down plant-based feedstocks into useful materials. This technology is highly versatile, allowing the company to produce a wide range of materials that can be used in many different applications. For example, Origin Materials products can be used to make plastic bottles, clothing, carpeting, and even car parts. The company is currently working with a number of partners to develop new applications for its technology, which could significantly expand its addressable market. Like their recently approved carbon black for tires. Their carbon black exceeds the industry standard and is a high-margin product. Speaking of the market, Origin Materials is well positioned to take advantage of the growing demand for sustainable materials. In fact, the company has already secured partnerships with some of the biggest names in the industry, including Nestlé, PepsiCo, and Danone. These partnerships not only provide a significant source of revenue for Origin Materials, but they also serve as a stamp of approval for the company's technology. Other partnerships are Mitsui, and Intertex, and Louis Vuitton. In total, they have pre-orders with a value of $9.3 billion. That's just wow! So, how has Origin Materials performed financially? While the company is still in the early stages of commercialization, it has already made significant progress. In 2020, Origin Materials went public through a SPAC merger with Artius Acquisition Inc., raising about $800 million in the process. Origin Materials has a strong balance sheet, with $324 million in cash and no debt as of December 31, 2022. Path to growth. The completion of the company's first commercial-scale plant is a major catalyst. The plant is expected to be operational in June 2023, and it will be capable of producing a wide range of sustainable materials using Origin Materials' patented technology. This will allow the company to significantly ramp up production and generate more revenue, which could drive the stock price higher. Origin Materials recently announced that the Louisiana State Bond Commission has unanimously passed a resolution granting its final approval of the issuance of up to $1.5 billion of tax-exempt bonds. These bonds are used for the financing for the construction of Origin 2, the company's first world-scale manufacturing facility in Geismar, Louisiana. This represents a significant milestone for the company. The bond funding will be used to finance the construction of Origin Materials' second commercial-scale Plant O2, as well as to fund ongoing research and development. The plant is expected to be operational in June 2025. To meet demand, the management already spoke about licensing their technology. This seems the only logical way to meet their current pre-orders and will speed up their way to profitability. Origin Materials closed a partnership with Avantium with a potential breakthrough in the commercialization of cost-competitive and low-carbon PEF, a polymer with an attractive combination of sustainability and performance characteristics for packaging, including enhanced barrier properties. The produced PEF is expected to be 100% plant-based, fully recyclable, have attractive unit economics, and to offer a significantly reduced carbon footprint. with superior strength, thermal properties, and barrier properties compared to today's widely used petroleum-based materials. It is rumored that Origin's big partners are pushing to speed up to the timeframe for launching PEF. This is of course good news for the company. What are the price targets from analysts? Frank Mitch, a chemical analyst from Fermium Research, has a $20 price target for Origin. He says O1 should generate sales in Q3 and mentions that the financing for O2 is de-risked. Eric Stein from Greg Hallam has a base price target of $12 and a bull target of $52. They are expecting multi-year revenue and profitability growth as Origin capitalizes on the shift to sustainable materials. Also mentioning their $9.3 billion in customer commitments. Competition and risks. Of course, like any investment, there are risks to consider. One of the biggest risks for Origin Materials is competition. There are other companies out there developing similar technologies for sustainable materials. However, Origin Materials has a few advantages over its competitors. For one, the company's technology is highly versatile, allowing it to produce a wide range of materials. Additionally, Origin Materials has already secured partnerships with some of the biggest names in the industry, which could make it difficult for competitors to gain a foothold. Other risks to consider include regulatory changes and supply chain disruptions. Conclusion. So, should you invest in Origin Materials? While there are risks to consider, the company's strong technology, partnerships, and financial position make it an attractive investment opportunity. Additionally, the growing demand for sustainable materials provides a significant market opportunity for Origin Materials. The current stock price looks like an attractive entry point. As always, be sure to do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Thank you for listening, and I hope this has been helpful in your investment research. I'm curious what you think about Origin Materials. Please leave your feedback in the comments. Don't forget to follow me and like the video if this was useful information for you. See you next time at the investment case. Bye.